Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Educators Textile Campus. Today I am going to introduce you to the resource pack class 2. So the picture I am showing you is the cover page of your resource pack, and the resource pack includes 5 subjects: communication skills, that will be English from page 4 to 38, numeracy, maths from 39 to 64, creativity and innovation from page number 65 to 82. And from the Urdu side, there will be 2 subjects: Urdu and civics. And civics will include social studies and all the information about Pakistan. So I'm going to teach you English, and there are some general instructions about English resource pack. One thing I am going to tell you, which is very important, that resource pack is all about student grooming and their creativity and grammar knowing. So moving to our today's topic, today we will collect some information about our country, and today's topic is my country, my pride. And in our today's lecture, we will collect some most important information about some information and facts about our beloved country, Pakistan. And on the basis of our collected information, we will be able to solve the worksheet on page number 34 and 35. So, with the name of Allah, starting our today's lecture, my country, my pride, Pakistan. And in the first paragraph, we have been told about the struggles and sacrifice of the people of Pakistan to be in Pakistan. And in the beginning, there were so many problems that people have to live in refugee camps because they didn't have any place to live. And Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan, and he is also known as Baba-e-Qaum, and his titles are Qaid Azam Baba-e-Qaum. He was a lawyer by profession, and he is the first Governor General of Pakistan. Page number 8, there are some more informations which include that Pakistan was established on 14th August 1947, and its official name is Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which means Islami Jamhuriyat Pakistan. And our national flag has two colors, green and white. Green colors represents the Muslim majority of Pakistan, whereas the vertical white strip represents the minorities, that is religious minorities, that there are also other religions which live in Pakistan. The flag symbolizes Pakistan's commitment to Islam, the Islamic world, and the rights of religious minorities. And Allama Muhammad Iqbal is the national poet of Pakistan, and he is also known as Shair-e-Mashriq. And our national anthem tells about the love we feel for our country, and we should stand up when we hear it. And Chakor is the national bird of Pakistan, and Qaid Azam is the founder of Pakistan and was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. Last but not the least, that we have some major information which includes that Pakistani dress is Shalwar Kameez, Urdu is national language, Chukor is the national bird, Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan, and the national animal of Pakistan is Markhor. So on the basis of these informations, we will solve the worksheet, comprehension worksheet, My Pakistan, on page number 34, and it is your home task. You will solve this worksheet by your own and send me the pictures. So students, I hope you have collected the information which was necessary for a worksheet. I hope you all will perform very well in your worksheet. Allah Hafiz.